The United States, a vast country, flaunts stunning scenery from breathtaking coastlines to serene lakes and expansive deserts. It offers an array of natural and man-made marvels, including world-renowned national parks. Here are the 10 most beautiful destinations in America. Number 10. Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls, nestled between Canada and the USA, is globally celebrated for its three main sections: American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and Horseshoe Falls. Its colossal rush of water seems endless, offering breathtaking views from observation decks. However, to truly grasp its enormity and power, a boat trip beneath the falls is a must. Every year, millions flock to witness the sheer size and beauty of Niagara Falls, making it an unforgettable experience. Number 9. Big Sur. Big Sur, nestled between Carmel Highlands and San Simeon, is a captivating stretch of California's coastline. It's not officially marked, but runs alongside Highway 1 for miles. Travelers are drawn here for its majestic redwoods and breathtaking beaches, perfect for road trips. But beyond the scenic drive, Big Sur offers fantastic hiking trails through state parks, inviting adventure seekers to explore its natural wonders up close. Number 8. Arches National Park. Arches National Park in Utah's Canyon Country is home to over 2,000 natural sandstone arches crafted by wind and water over time. Among them, Landscape Arch, Delicate Arch, and Double Arch stand out for their beauty. Whether you're hiking or biking, exploring this park promises an unforgettable adventure amidst stunning natural formations. Number 7. Golden Gate Bridge. The Golden Gate Bridge spans the strait between San Francisco and Marin County. It took 4 years to build and was completed in 1937. When finished, it held the record for the longest suspension bridge span globally. Its red-orange color was chosen to stand out in the thick fog that often blankets the area. Today, the bridge is a well-known symbol of California. Number 6. Badlands. The Badlands in South Dakota are stunning and surreal, with colorful canyons and unique formations sculpted by wind and rain over thousands of years. Petrified plants and sharp-edged buttes rise from the earth, painted in pastel hues that add to the enchanting scenery. Badlands National Park is the highlight of this magical landscape, offering breathtaking views and exploration opportunities. Number 5. Antelope Canyon. Antelope Canyon, near Page in Arizona, is a breathtaking slot canyon admired by photographers. Its swirling sandstone walls resemble flowing water, creating captivating shapes. Divided into the crack and the corkscrew sections, the canyon is illuminated by beams of light, enhancing its beauty. Visitors can explore Antelope Canyon through guided tours as it's located within a Navajo tribal park, making it a popular and enchanting destination. Number 4. Florida Keys. The Florida Keys, located south of Florida, form a beautiful chain of islands between the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. Connected to the mainland by the overseas highway, these Coral Cay Islands offer a mix of untouched nature and vibrant party scenes. Loved by tourists and retirees, the Keys are famous for their sunny weather, tropical beauty, and abundant recreational activities. Number 3. Yosemite Valley. Yosemite Valley, the centerpiece of Yosemite National Park, is its most famous and photographed area. Surrounded by the Sierra Nevada mountains and lush pine forests, this glacial valley stretches for kilometers. It's adorned with majestic granite peaks like El Capitan and Half Dome, while stunning waterfalls like Yosemite Falls add to its allure. With numerous hiking trails offering striking views, Yosemite Valley is a must-visit destination. Number 2. Manhattan. Manhattan is one of New York City's 5 boroughs known for its iconic skyline and famous landmarks featured in movies and TV shows. Here, you can explore towering skyscrapers, visit the Statue of Liberty, watch a Broadway show, climb the Empire State Building, relax in Central Park, shop on Fifth Avenue, or explore museums. Number 1. Horseshoe Bend. Horseshoe Bend, near Page, Arizona, is a stunning attraction within Glen Canyon National Recreation Area. Formed by the Colorado River over time, its horseshoe shape is striking. Tourists often hike to the viewpoint towering over the river, which offers breathtaking views, especially at sunset. It's a must-see natural wonder for visitors to the area.